Okay guys, now the night mode is on. Let's see if it's gonna be oversaturated or over light. I think it's pretty light up now. It's lit up. But the question is how it's gonna be looking while walking. Is it gonna be jittery or? So we're here in the Le Quan Dao Street, cornering Antung 34 on the right and left. We're gonna walk to the Aussie bistro and see what the Australians are doing. And then from there on, we're gonna go somewhere else. It's still pretty early on. It's 7 p.m. now. The weather is perfect. It's actually cool and dry. We had a blue sky, we had a beautiful sunset. And now it's just, this weather is beautiful now. Very cool. Not really cool, but it's like you don't sweat walking around or anything. It's very, very nice. I reviewed a lot of hotels. I reviewed a lot of apartments today on my other channel. I'm gonna link down below the video. And it was pretty tough to find something very nice for a good price actually. But some places were actually very surprising. Especially some were overpriced, and we found even a hotel. This is pretty popular now too. Game On sports bar. So here you can have banh mi's in the evening as well. Here in the corner is the fly burgers. If this footage turns out well, then this camera is almost perfect. I think this pho place in the front is 24/7. 24/7 pho. Yeah, it says 24 hours. Hi there, man. This is the struggle here, walking on the sidewalks when something is always blocking you. I think this is the only thing I don't like here. It's like always a parkour. Then if you're also a tall person like me, it's also tough with the head. You gotta watch your head all the time as well. Like here, this whole walkway is completely parked or used for restaurant space. Lots of new places here. This is like another motorbike rental. Also Korean, like everything. Everywhere. This is crazy. So this is the street of the Aussie bistro. See how the Australians are doing. We're here. I think I did review this place as well. This is Lagom Hotel and Apartments. They are very strong on Airbnb. And this place has 2-bedroom apartments for very good price as well. Samantha apartment. Very lovely front office staff there as well. Look at this cute dog. Oh, it's charging on him. Two small dogs sniffing each other. One has a hoodie on. There we go. We're at the Aussie bistro. So actually, we're at the Aussie bar, and those Australians hunting down the banh bao guy. So this is the banh bao guy, and they are making him rich.
Yes, very famous. We just took a family photo with him.
We're giving the banh bao a tip.
Have you got?
We don't want the banh bao. We just want to. Give
I had it often. Ooh.
Old Rob's getting a banh bao.
Oh, not me.
No, not all guys.
So this is how it looks. They have real wood in here, burning, keeping it warm.
We'll just give it to everyone inside.
How much money do you need?
Come
Come on.
So if you're asking why they're always driving around, it's because of the Australians.
I said to the banh bao man, I said, you're famous. I did a translation, I said, you're famous.
But it's him or like some of the family? Yeah, the OG.
This is the OG. This is the OG banh bao man.
Yeah. Hook.
Wendy. Dennis.
Wendy.
He doesn't get any tips because he just gave us all the...
Okay, we'll just give it.
No, wait, Alana's going to give him some.
Wait. Yeah, hold on.
Only have a tip.
Hold on.
Oh, Ethan, you Vietnamese.
Yeah. This Aussie can speak Vietnamese, huh?
This Aussie's been learning.
All right, thank you, come on.
Whoa. Wait,
He's feeding the streets here. Now he's getting the credits.
He's giving the tips.
All the drunk people getting fed.
Mama, Sammy, Mama.
I ordered a burger.